Hi, this is Arun from Random Codes. In this video, let's try to understand HTML headings and paragraphs. HTML headings are used as titles or subtitles that we display on a web page. Headings are defined using the tags h1 to h6, where h1 being the most important heading. Headings are always start on a new line. Each heading has a default font size based on its number, which can be altered using CSS styles if you want to change. All the headings are displayed in bold, so never use them to make the text bold. Search engines use web page headings for indexing, so using them appropriately is very important. Here is an example that shows all the different types of headings starting from h1 to h6. On the last h1 element, we have added inline style to set the font size to 50 pixel. Now let's look at HTML paragraphs. HTML element P defines a paragraph. Paragraph is a block of text that can extend multiple lines when it is displayed on a browser. Paragraph always starts on a new line. Browsers interpret the paragraph element and display its content always on a new line. Paragraph element is one of the basic elements that helps in adding text to an HTML document. Here is an example of paragraph element where we have the opening p tag followed by the paragraph text and then the closing p tag. With this, we understood headings and paragraph elements. In our next videos, we'll explore more HTML elements. That's all for now. I hope this video is useful. Let us know your feedback and suggestions in the comment section. If you like the content, feel free to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you on another video with a different topic. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.